G'day, mate. Buck here. Today, I'm gonna tell you something your boss, your HR department, and honestly, most Australians have absolutely no idea about. It's called salary sacrifice into super. And if you use it right, mate, you could save thousands of dollars in tax every single year. Completely legal, fully ATO approved, no dodgy stuff whatsoever. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you the #1 mistake most Aussies make with this trick that costs them big time. Let's get into it. Quick question, mate. How much tax did you pay last financial year? If you're earning $80,000 a year in Australia, you're handing the ATO about $18,000 in income tax. $18,000 gone every single year. Now, I'm not saying don't pay tax. We love roads and Medicare, right? But what if I told you there's a completely legal way to reduce that tax bill and grow your retirement savings at the exact same time? That's exactly what salary sacrifice into super does. Okay, mate, let's break this down super simply. Normally, here's how your pay works. Your employer pays you. The ATO takes their cut first. Then you get what's left. Fair dinkum annoying, right? Now, with salary sacrifice, here's what changes. You tell your employer, hey, put an extra chunk of my salary straight into my super before tax. That means the ATO only taxes you on a smaller income. Less income equals less tax. Simple as that, mate. Here's a real Aussie example. Say you earn $90,000 a year. Without salary sacrifice, you pay tax on $90,000. That's roughly $20,797 in tax. Now you salary sacrifice $10,000 extra into super. You only pay tax on $80,000. That's roughly $17,547. That's $3,250 back in your pocket every single year. And your super is growing faster than ever because that $10,000 go. Step 1. Log into myGov, then ATO, then super. Check your balance. Takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Check the concessional contributions cap. In 2025, you can put up to $30,000 per year into super at the low 15% tax rate. That includes your employer's compulsory 11.5% SGC. So work out how much room you have left. Step 3. Talk to your payroll or HR department. Ask them, can I set up a salary sacrifice arrangement? Most employers offer this. They just never ever tell you about it. Step 4. If your situation is complex, multiple jobs, investments, business income, consider seeing a licensed financial advisor. Jump on ASIC MoneySmart to find one near you. Now, here are the 3 mistakes most Aussies make with salary sacrifice. Mistake number 1. Going over the $30,000 cap. If you put more than $30,000 into super this way, the ATO taxes the extra at your full income tax rate. Defeats the whole purpose, mate. Mistake number 2. Forgetting it affects your take-home pay. You are putting more into super, so your weekly pay will be a little lower. Make sure your budget can handle it before you set it up. Mistake number 3. Thinking super is locked away forever. Yes, you generally can't touch super until you're around 60. But mate, that money is still yours. It's growing, tax effectively, for your future. Right. Here's what I want you to do this week. Log into myGov and check your super balance. Work out your concessional contributions cap room. Email your HR or payroll team and ask about salary sacrifice. And if you want extra help, jump on ASIC MoneySmart and find a licensed advisor. That's it. 4 steps, this weekend, done. So, to wrap it up, mate, salary sacrifice is one of the most powerful, completely legal tax-saving strategies available to every single working Australian. Your boss probably never told you. Your school definitely didn't teach you. But now you know. That's your money, mate. Make it work for you. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Aussie finance tips every week, and drop your question in the comments below. Buck reads every single one. Next week, We're breaking down the best ASX ETFs for beginners in 2025. You do not want to miss it, mate.